been raining every day. Like, I can't do it anymore. You know, the bike just sits in the garage, and last time I did this, I sold the bike, and I think that's just about where I'm at now. So I'm gonna have to change the name of the channel to just Bryan, because without the Warrior, I can't be RS Warrior Bryan. So, bike for sale. Anybody wants it, let me know. I can't ride it in the rain, but I refuse to sell it to anybody around me. I don't want to see it, and if I'm not riding it because it's raining, it's not going to sit in your garage. So if you're in a sunny state like California, Texas, Florida, somewhere, no, not Florida, it rains too much in Florida, no, not you either, California, if you're in California, you know, Texas, maybe Arizona, New Mexico, something like that, and you need a bike, get at me, I'll sell it to you. Yeah, I didn't think so. Guys, thanks for tuning in today. Bryan here. So last winter, while I was doing my mods, I was kind of bringing out a series of videos, and I made it into an actual series, like a season 1 series over my winter mods. And this year I kind of wanted to bring that back and do a season 2 of winter mods. So I kind of wanted to bring you guys just a really quick video. I know winter's still just a ways out, and I know a lot of you guys are actually just starting your riding season. You know, people in like Arizona and California, New Mexico, you know, things like that where it's, you know, 110, 115 degrees. You guys are actually just now getting comfortable to where, you know, you're going to want to actually get out and ride. But I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to, you know, bring you guys a quick video to just show you guys kind of some of the things that I plan on doing this winter. Now, I'll leave links down below in the description to everything that I talk about today. So if you're interested in doing any of these mods yourself this winter, check them out. Now, the first one that's a definite that I plan on doing is lowering the back and putting a progressive spring on. Now, I've actually already purchased the lowering kit for it, and I plan on purchasing the progressive spring here in just a couple weeks. But I'm gonna go ahead and set everything to the side and wait till the bike is down this winter to get it installed. Now, me personally, I'm gonna be going with the Barron's adjustable links, but I'll leave links down below to like the Barron's adjustable, the Barron's fixed, and the BlackPath adjustable probably. And I'm gonna be going with the Eibach 1,000-pound spring. Now, the second mod that I definitely plan on getting done this winter is taking that rear brake fluid reservoir and tucking it up underneath the seat to kind of hide it just a little bit. Now, there's a great write-up on the forum, and I'm going to leave a link down below to it. So if you plan on doing it, you can go ahead and check it out yourself. And if you wait till the winter, there'll be a video. If not, then you can go ahead and do it yourself off of that link. But it's going to just kind of clean up that side a little bit. Now, with that side cleaned up a little bit, that's going to actually lead to the third mod that I hope to get done this winter, and that's KyleNV's hidden brake caliper bracket mod. Now, this is one that I hope to get done because it all just depends on when I go to shop for the parts, if Kyle's got them ready and how long the wait's going to be on it. So hopefully whenever I go to getting parts, Kyle's got one ready, I can just ship mine off to him and get one back. The only thing that's really holding me back from doing it now is the fact that I don't want to give up my brake caliper while waiting for another one to come in, you know, and go without riding. It's not that big of a turnaround time. I believe it's only a few days. Still, you know, I just don't want to give up my bike that long. So that's another one that I actually really want to get done this winter, so we'll see how that goes. Now, the fourth one that I actually hope to get done this winter, and it's another hope, is the 33-tooth pulley mod. Now, the reason that this one is a hope is pretty much the same exact reason as with the KyleNV hidden caliper bracket. It just comes to when I get to going to the parts if there's one available. Now, I did see like 3 of them within the last couple weeks, so hopefully when I go to shopping for one, I can get one as well. But really, that's all that's going to, you know, hinder me from getting that one done as well. Now, the fifth one that's just kind of a possibility and really just depends on how everything goes, how my cash situation is and everything like that, is I'm possibly looking into getting that Power Commander 5, like I said. That's one that I really just kind of want to see the difference between the Power Commander 5 and possibly get the auto tune with it versus the Cobra. You know, I think that would be a great comparison to, you know, do for you guys to see the difference between the two. So that one is a possibility. Hopefully I can get that one and make a nice video out of that. And if I do in fact do that, then the Cobra will probably be going up for a giveaway. So we'll see how that one goes. Now another one that's a possibility and kind of just depends on, you know, prices and if I can find one that I like and, you know, everything just kind of falls into place, is the exhaust. So, you know, I'm gonna be on the lookout for that. The PayPal case should be finishing up hopefully soon. I should be getting my money back on that, and if I can find a decently priced exhaust, then, you know, hopefully I can do that. If not, then maybe it's time to just save that money up and get a custom Graphio exhaust or something like that, you know, bank that money, and we'll see how that goes. Now the last part of this video, guys, I actually want to reach out to you and ask you guys what you want to see done this winter. So if there's a mod that you guys haven't done or that you guys are interested in seeing done, comment down below, let me know what it is. So I'll kind of look at all the comments and everything like that, and I'll pick a mod from you guys to do. So like I said, if there's one that you guys want to see done, comment down below, let me know what it is, and I'll try and get, you know, one of these mods done for you guys. Guys, other than that, you know, thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate you being here. Hopefully this video kind of lets you guys know just a little bit about what to expect this winter and, you know, kind of what I plan on getting done, and let you know that, you know, if you plan on lowering your bike or getting a power commander or something like that, you know, I'm going to actually be having videos of those coming up. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to like and share this video, guys. And if you're not subscribed, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit the notifications thing, notify all my videos. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time. You know, my boy, like anytime he sees the camera and the light and the microphone and everything come out and he sees the whole setup getting ready, he knows what's going on, and he's watched the videos and he's seen me do this so many times that he'll come out and he'll just be like, "Hey guys, what's up? Bryan here. Thanks for tuning in today." And I'm like, "Man, that's my line, bro. Like, what are you doing? You're stealing my thunder, man." Look, dude, like my mom always said, I brought you into this world and I will take you out, kid. Like, well, and the sad thing is, he's probably better at it than me. I know he's cuter, that's for sure. Who knows, man? Maybe he's got a future. Big shout out to my oldest boy, Kevin. He's got his own channel, Kevin's Gaming, and he's got 9 subscribers. He's working hard. He does gaming, apparently, playing Minecraft and Fortnite and stuff. I've been thinking about starting a second channel myself, but then I remember I don't even have the time for the first channel. You know, like I can't even get these videos out on time. What am I going to do with the second one? I wish I could just quit my job and do this full time. That would be a dream. Like to never have to go into work and just be able to create videos, you know. But I would run out of money to buy mods pretty damn quick, and then I'd end up having to sell my cameras and everything like that to pay for the videos, which then I'd have to record on my phone, and then they'd suck, and then I'd lose subscribers, and then it'd be pointless. So, best just to keep my job, unfortunately, every day. Every day.